I'm Ron from Kolleno, the Suite app designed to help you manage and reconcile all your invoices efficiently with NetSuite SuiteBilling. In this tutorial, we're looking at the Churn by Revenue report, which is essential for tracking reductions in MRR, monthly recurring revenue, due to subscription downgrades, cancellations, or terminations. So I'll go to Reports, Subscriptions, Churn by Revenue. Obviously, you could customize it if you wished so. So on this report, you can see the MRR at the beginning and the end of the month. You can also see the new MRR in this column, which is the revenue generated from subscription started in the specified month. The expansion MRR is the revenue that increases from upsells within the period. If you're finding these insights helpful, please make sure to subscribe for more NetSuite tips and tutorials. The other columns are the contraction MRR, which is the revenue that decreases from downgrades. The lost MRR shows the total MRR lost due to canceled subscriptions. And then you see the monthly recurring revenue churn rate here at the end. Some additional notes is that all MRR is categorized as new in the first month, with churn calculation starting from the second month. Revenue from suspended subscriptions does not contribute to churn, and really using this report will help you understand how MRR shifts due to customer subscription changes. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting for your like under this video. Bye bye.